A very good morning to all. So today we'll be doing the exercise of this chapter, that is agriculture and industries in India. So here in page number 75 you can see chapter checklist. You have to take the concepts which you have understood. Now the first exercise is match the following. You can see on one side you have first one basket weaving, second tea, third rice and wheat, fourth linseed, 5 cloves. On the other side you have A staple crops, B oilseed, C cash crop, D spice and E cottage industry. Now you have to match the correct answers. Let's check it. The first one, that is basket weaving, it is matched to E, that is cottage industry. Second one, tea. Tea is cash crop. Third, rice and wheat. It is a staple crop. Linseed is matched to oilseed. And the fifth one is spice. I hope you all have done it. Now, let's move to the second exercise. You have to choose the correct option. So, you can see 3 options are given for every question and you have to choose the correct one. First one, crops that are grown primarily for food are called dash crops. Options are food, cash and shed. Second one, rice and dash are the staple crops of India. Options are cotton, maize and wheat. Third one, cotton is not grown in dash. The options Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra. Fourth one, shipbuilding industries can be found in dash in India and the options are Kochi, Hyderabad and Surat. Fifth one, dash and baskets are few products made by cottage industries and the given options are cars, candles, furnitures. So you have to choose the correct options. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, crops that are grown primarily for food are called food crops. Second, rice and wheat are the staple crops of India. So wheat is the correct word. Third, cotton is not grown in dash. So the correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Fourth one, shipbuilding industry can be found in Kochi in India. So Kochi is the right answer. Dash and baskets are few products made by cottage industry. The correct answer is candles. So you have to write all these exercise in your notebook with proper date. Now let's move to the third exercise, that is write true or false. The first one is the number of workers employed in small scale industries is more than that in cottage industry. So you have to mark whether it is true or false. Second one, rice is a cash crop. Third one, the processing of raw materials and production of goods in factories is known as industry. Fourth one, cash crops are grown primarily for sale in the market. Fifth one, oil refinery is a large scale industry. So you have to mark whether it is true or false. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, the number of workers employed in small scale industries is more than that in the cottage industries. So the sentence is true. Second one, rice is a cash crop. It is false. Rice is a food crop. Third one, the processing of raw materials and production of goods in factories is known as industry. This is true. Cash crops are grown primarily for sale in the market. It's true. The fifth one, oil refinery is a large scale industry. This is also true. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Fourth one. So you can see pictures are given here and you have to identify it. You have to write the name of these pictures. Let's check this answer. The first picture is of M.S. Swaminathan. Second one, wheat. Third picture is tea. Fourth one is cotton. And the fifth one is sugarcane. Now, let's move to the next exercise, that is fifth one. Answer the following question. The first question is, what is agriculture? The correct answer is, agriculture is the practice of farming which includes the growing of crops, fruits, vegetables, and it also includes the rearing of cattle to provide food, wool and other products. Next question is, name the states where maize is grown. So, the answer is, the states where maize is grown are Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Third question, what are the two types of crops that are grown in India? And the answer is, the two types of crops grown in India are food crops and cash crops. Fourth one, why are industries important for us? The answer is, industries are important for us because they convert raw material into the final products that are sold in the market, and they also provide jobs to people. Fifth one, name the important industries in India. The correct answer is, the important industries in India are iron and steel industries, textile industries, automobile industries, shipbuilding industries and electronic good industries. The next exercise is think it over. The question is, agriculture and industries go hand in hand. Is it good to set up industries on agricultural land? So, this is the question and you can see the correct answer. It is not good to set up industries in agricultural land because if agricultural lands are lost, we will not be able to grow food crops to feed our population as well as cash crop for the industries. So, this is the correct answer for the sixth exercise. Next is activity corner. So, here you can see three activities. First one is activity, second life skill and the third one is value check. So, the first activity we have already discussed in our first class of this chapter. Second activity, that is life skill, we have already discussed in our second class. Now, the value check, you have to read it carefully, write the answer in your notebook and then submit in your Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.